Good day, madam. I'm Serlena PANEERSELVAM, metric number 273766. Today we are from Group B. Would like to demo our system. Our system is developed using HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript language method. So let me run our system. This is the main page for our system, and this is the first component where the user can insert a title and also their description for the wheel. And for example, I'm inserting names and then for description, maybe testing, and then click on OK. So let me click on this wheel one, which would be the second component. This would be the wheel one where the user can click on the spin button here and the wheel can be spinned. Okay, let me move on to the second wheel, which is the third component. And then again, the user can click on the spin button, which will spins the wheel. Moving on to the third wheel, which would be the fourth component of our system. Yeah, that's all from us, madam. Thank you.
Good evening, Pon. My name is Pranajit Mahendran, metric number 272202. Okay, today I will share about my experience in this PBL3 in terms of technical experience, working team, and challenges faced in this PBL. Okay, for technical wise, I learned a few things like how to combine codes from other members into one working system. Even though all the systems are written using same platform, but it's still challenging because the coding style is different, like naming conventions and methods. In terms of team working, it was a great experience working with IDAH, JADE, and Serlena. All of them are cooperative and friendly. And in terms of system development, I mean challenges, when developing the system, we face unexpected events like combining all the components because some of the members use different IDE versions. Some use a latest version and some use an earlier version. So when combining all the components, it was a challenge for us to make sure that all components should be compatible using one fixed version. So that's all from my experience. Thank you.
Good day, madam. I'm Serlena PANEERSELVAM, metric number 273766. Today I would like to share my experiences in terms of technical experiences and system development, team working, and also the challenges we encounter while completing this PBL3. First and foremost, for the technical experiences and while developing the system, we have learned on how to combine the codes developed by each of our members to form a perfectly working system. The challenges that we faced while here was being able to combine all the codes into one and make it work, as the softwares used by each of the members are different and the similar methods might link to different functions. So as for the teamwork within our group is really great as each of us were very supportive in solving technical challenges that arise during the system development. Every member contributes their ideas and learn from each other based on how to solve the PBL3. Teamwork really plays a crucial role while completing this project. So overall, in a nutshell, throughout this journey of completing this PBL3, be able to understand on how the components integrated and also on how the components are being combined based on their specific functions to form a perfectly working system. So that's all from me, madam. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, my name is GERALDINE MANOMONY DAWSON and my metric number is 270012. Based on PBL3, I'll be sharing my views on the technical experience and system development, team working, challenges, and other important experience. Firstly, for the technical experience and system development, we had to learn how to integrate the components that were coded by other members within the group to produce one working system. The challenge here was being able to combine all the codes into one as the names and methods were similar and might link to different functions. Next, the teamwork within our group is really good. Every member contributes their ideas and learn from each other based on how to solve PBL3 and how to integrate the components together. The only challenge that we face is small misunderstandings in explanations. Overall, the experience received from this is being able to understand components, how they function, and how to develop them, as well as combining them into one system. That is all from me. Thank you.
Good day, my name is IDAH ZENGANI, metric number 269249, and I'm going to be talking about my experience with this project. So first and foremost, I'll start with technical experience. So for the most of the part, we were learning about components with theory, but due to this project, I actually got to implement a component model. So I did gain some experience on developing a component model on EGB. So I had to learn the configurations and the coding that is necessary in order to create a component. To be more specific, a web component on NetBeans, which was for me something that I was very unfamiliar with. Next off, it's about the teamwork. Personally, I think that everybody collaborated well. We did the tasks that were necessary, and we also made sure that everybody was responsible, and we completed the tasks that we had assigned to each other. As for the challenges, I think the first challenge for me that personally for me was when I was still learning about creating a component, developing a component on EGB. I did not grasp the concept of which part exactly was the component. So that took me a while. That was a challenge for me to grasp at first, but now I understand that a little bit more. Another part is regarding within the group was, I think there was a bit of a challenge with how we were going to display the components, because we have three components that were the same, which is the spinning wheel. So we kind of had to figure out which would be the best way to display the those components, and make it look nice. And I think that's all for my experience. Thank you very much.